an activity in 2026, which is not covered by the article. This is 2026, Council?
Yes, Your Honor. Na tinatawag yung list of expenditures. Tama po ba? And then to aid your memory, ma'am, kasi nasabi ko, hindi mo maalala yung nangyari. 4 years ago, I'll show you. Transcript. Copy. November 25, 2020. Even before I stood up here.
It's just that I can just put it to
Lists of objects of expenditures and request for funding. Hindi po ba?
list of object of expenditure.
Yes. Ano ba itong mga objects? Yung binigay mo yung 125 million pesos in gold, si Colonel Lachica, did you ask him to sign an acknowledgement receipt or any voucher na magpapatunay na tinanggap niya? Galing sa'yo, yung 125 million pesos.
Ika-receive na po siya.
Yung tanong is, did you ask him to sign an acknowledgement receipt? Yes po ba?
Ika-receive na po siya.
So simple.
Di ba kasama po sa liquidation report may mga acknowledgement receipt na sila pangalan, di ba ba? Opo, di ba? Di ba pangalan? So alam niyo po ang kahulugan na acknowledgement receipt. Ang tanong, may acknowledgement receipt bang pinirmahan si Colonel Lachica para sa binigay niyo 125 million? No.
Paghatag na po kay Colonel Lachica.
Pagbigay niyo kay Colonel Lachica,
ng 125 pesos. Ika-receive na po siya yung honor. This object of expenditure na ihatag na sa buwan. Ito na lang na po siya ika-receive.
naniniwala akong kaya niyo.
Colonel Lachica, tama po ba? Tanong, walang nakasulat na 125 million pesos yung natanggap ni Colonel Lachica galing sa'yo sa araw na yan
Your
sa
honor.
list of expenditures.
Your honor.
Okay.
Meron po, Your honor. Kasi ang nakalagay po sa ito yung expenditure. Ito po yung isang purchase of information amount,
Tsaka ano yung nakalaan na pera. Yun lang, tama po ba?
meron pa siya paragraph
Yan. Alright.
hindi ko maalala. Basta,
Alala.
ikutan niya nga, say ko sila, in line with the following are the purchase expenses for the execution of confidential activities for calendar year for the fourth quarter 2022.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Napakasimple lang po. Ulit-ulit sabi ko, list of expenditures nakasulat. Ito yung ito yung nakalaan. Sa simpleng phrase. Tinanggap ko galing kay Gina M. Acosta yung pera 125 million pesos sa araw na yan. Na makikita natin, alam ng taong bayan, makikita natin yan sa kahit anong simpleng transaksyon kung saan may palitan ng kamay sa pera. Wala yan.
Yes, Your Honor. As can answer, Your Honor. While indeed it was asked and answered, counsel, I think that counsel is seeking clarification at this point. It affords the witness an opportunity to clarify her answer because she seems to be unsure. So I'll allow it for now, counsel, with your indulgence. Gina, pakisabi mo to
Ipa-receive ko siya, Your Honor.
Pinareceive po at internal yung papel na nagsasabing i-receive. Hawak niyo po ba yun ngayon? May copy po ba yun ngayon?
After po na nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor, ginawa po ulit ni security officer na chika, Your Honor.
Yung acknowledge, yung receipt, yung resibo na tinanggap niya yung pera, ginawa niyo ulit.
Ginawa niya na ulit, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po ako, Your Honor. Base po ng aking liquidation, Your Honor, is yung mga document po na bigay sa akin security officer after po natapos po niya ma-implement on the grounds ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
So, clear with the permission of counsels with intelligence and limited as well. Nung binigay niya yung 125 million kay Colonel Achica, may pinirmahan siyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 million. Pribadong dokumento, internal document of the city of Pagtua.
Po, Your Honor.
Nung nakapagbigay siya ng liquidation kung saan at paano niya ginastos yung binigay niya 125 million, binawi na po niya yung pinirmahan niya resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 kasi na-liquidate na po niya.
Nagbigay po siya sa akin, after po Your Honor, nagbigay siya sa akin ng reports na tawag po natin ng fund utilization report.
Bigay po niya ron, binawi niya na yung pinirmahan niya resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125.
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Wala pa.
Kasi aking detali po, Your Honor, na tama po pa ang kinuha niya na 125. Ang nirelease ko sa kanya na 125. Tama po ba sa kanya binigay sa akin na fund utilization report?
Okay, sakto, mama.
Exacto. Nagawa na ako ng accomplishment report based sa fund utilization report na binigay sa akin ni SO officer.
Binigay niya na ba, sinoli niya na ba yung resibo sa kanya pagkatapos doon?
After po tapos ko na aking liquidation na isabit ko na po sa kuwa.
Doon niya na po sinoli.
Kinuha na po niya, Your Honor, kasi paliquidate naman po kami.
So wala na po sa kamay niyo, nasa kamay na po.
Wala na po sa akin.
At ganyan din po ang ginawa niyo sa taong 2023 doon sa tatlong 125. Pagkatapos niya, binigay niya yung pera, binigyan niya yung resibong tinanggap niya. Pagkatapos niya magbigay ng fund liquidation report at na-liquidate yun, tapos submit niya na sa kuha, kinuha na rin niya yung resibo. Wala ko rin.
Yes, sir.
Hindi po ba at this particular you cannot show any document at this moment ba? At this moment, wala kayong may pakita dokumento man na magpapatunay na tinanggap, in-acknowledge ni Colonel Chica yung pagtanggap niya ng 125 pesos. Galing sa iyo sa araw na yan, December 2020. Wala.
Gentlemen, Your Honor, ask and answer, Your Honor.
Actually, asked and answered already. I will have to sustain the objection by the council. That is already for just for emphasis, and I think that the witness has answered.
Same po. Sa 3 quarters ng 2023, binibigay mo yung pera sa isang non-accountable officer na hindi funded. Saka hindi ka makakapagpakita ng kahit anong dokumento ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap na ni Colonel Lachica yung 375 million pesos in cold cash, pera ng bayan.
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading and it's misleading, Your Honor, because the witness did not make any testimonies regarding the claim that the security officer is not accountable, Your Honor. And it's already asked and answered.
Counsel, I would like to sustain the objection that the matter is compounded and invalid is misleading because the 375 million was not given one time. We
I will
totaled
break
it.
it down.
We totaled it for kindly modify.
I will break it down. Para naman sa first quarter ng 2023, binigay mo rin 125 million pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica na makupa.
As in answered, Your Honor.
Witness may answer.
I-release ko po kay security officer kasi siya po ang itinalaga na aming Vice President, Your Honor, at siya ang nakakaalam paano i-implement yung mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
There you go again. Now, for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka rin may pakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa iyo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Napareceive po
Honor,
ako,
as in
Your
answered,
Honor.
Your Honor.
2023, you bring it down.
Counsel, will let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Bakit? May dokumento kayo na ipapakita
I'll
na
let you
may
resume.
trial sa harap ng ating mga settled judges.
Do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a stamp receipt by the Commission on Audit, ICFAO, on April 13, 2023?
Opo, Your Honor.
For quarter 2 of 2023, Ma'am Gina, the OVP submitted the liquidation documents sa Commission on Audit on July 13, 2023. Naalala niyo po ba kung tama po ito?
Nasabi ko, Your Honor, pero
For the record, Your Honor,
wala ko eh.
for the record, Your Honor, we confront the witness with Defense Exhibit D-I-54-OVP. It's same cover letter, Your Honor,
For the second quarter.
for the second quarter.
Yes, Your Honor, nasabi ko kanina sa July 13,
And nakalagay po dyan na tama po, may stamp receipt ang COA ICFAO on July 13, 2023, correct?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Para sa quarter 3 naman po, na liquidation, maalala niyo po ba kung kailan niyo sinabit? Maalala niyo po ba kung tama ang date, October 26, 2023? Ito, for the record, Your Honor, we would want to confront the witness with 2-I-78-OVP, Your Honor, which is the same letter for quarter 3, 2023.
Yes po, napareceive po sa Commission on Audit and Intelligence and Communication on October 26, 2023.
Do you confirm, Ma'am Gina, that there is a stamp received by the COA ICFAO on October 26, 2023?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are aware that for quarters 1 to 3, this would be disallowed in a notice of disallowance number 2026-001, correct?
Meron pong disallowance, Your Honor.
May we confront the witness with Defense Exhibits E-I-9, which is the notice of disallowance dated number 2026-001. Tama po, ito po yung disallowance ng quarter 1 to 3, 2023.
Opo, Your Honor. Ito po.
At ito pong notice of disallowance na to, tama po ba na in-issue ito ng Commission on Audit noong March 31, 2026?
Opo, Your Honor.
At in-issue po ito ng Commission on Audit habang ang Committee on Justice ay nagkukonduct ng mini trial against the Vice President, correct?
Objection, Your Honor, relevance. Not a relevance. Not touched upon. Meaning the use of the term mini trial. That's one. Number two, not touched upon during the examination. The rules are more restrictive when it comes to cross-examination of an adverse witness. Exhibit A is the right question of this.
Like the bond counsel, I will not sustain the objection.
We will report, Your Honor. This notice of disallowance was issued by the Commission on Audit while the Committee on Justice is conducting its hearing for impeachment. Correct? Alam,
Hindi ko maalala.
pero na-receive niyo po itong notice of disallowance noong April 8, 2026. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi may schedule po ako dito na na-receive ko po.
So, na-receive niyo po yung notice of disallowance number 2026-001 April 8, 2026 kahit na-submit nyo na yung liquidation noong 2023 pa lamang, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
At habang at in the mid, this is in the middle of the Committee on Justice meeting, correct?
Kasi ako na sa kaya sa maamor ko dito pa nila. Lalo ito
Ma'am Gina, kaya po ba paulit-ulit ang sagot niyo kanina? Kasi paulit-ulit po rin po yung sagot niyo.
Objection, that's great.
I withdraw your honor.
Great. Nice try, okay?
I withdraw the question.
Sure.
So withdrawn.
Nice try.
Go for it.
Right. You be correct with the court's provision, Your Honor, please.
With emphasis on a few, counsel.
Yes.
May mistake, counsel.
Madam Witness, kanina, nakarang araw, while yung prosecution that is presenting as an hostile or as we are hostile to hostile witness, sinabi nyo, in several instances, hindi mo masagot yung mga katanungan nangyari 2022 and prior to that. Kasi sabi mo, hindi mo na maalala. You remember having said that, hindi mo ba?
Yung mga tanong mo po, Your Honor, na sinabi mo yung sa Davao na 460. Hindi ko maalala yun, Your Honor.
Hindi mo maalala. Pero ma'am, kanina, diretso yung reports, tinatanong ka, nakatanggap ba ng audit observation memorandum? Natanggap ba ng notice of disallowance during your stint sa Davao City? Pero siya, sabi mo, wala. Biglang
No
naalala
question.
niyo.
Kindly allow counsel to finish.
Now, bigla mong naalala, 2019, 2018, 2020. Alam niyo po ba yung tinatawag natin selective memory? Do you know that?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Well, I'm confronting this witness with a fact that everybody heard. When I was asking questions, sabi niya, conveniently hindi ko maalala. But when propounded with similar line of questioning as to the events that happened in Davao City while she was an SDO, she said, yes, I can remember it very challenging. That's why I'm asking that question's basis. Alam niyo po ba, anong ibig sabihin? That selective memory.
If the witness knows,
ang ako, may, ang sinabi, ang ibig sabihin po kanina, Your Honor, ang amount po na sinabi nyo na yun po ba, yan ba ang halaga ng confidential funds ng Davao City? Yun po, nag-concentrate ako, ang intindi ko, ang pagsabot ko, Your Honor, is yung the amount po. Hindi ko po maalala kung yun ba talaga, Your Honor.
That's your answer, ma'am. Let's proceed. Let's proceed.
That's the witness's answer.
Yes, Mr. President. You know, ako, for 2 days, medyo nahihirapan sa mga tanong ko kasi sabi mo, hindi ka nakakaintindi, masyado ng Tagalog. Naalala niyo ba yung mga episodes na yan during the last hearing and this morning? Yes or no? Alala mo?
Ano yun, sir?
Yung mga hindi mo maintindihan, yung mga tanong ko na tinatagalog ko. Diba, naalala mo, nasabi ko hindi ko maintindihan. That's why we had to move in the robot up, trying to interpret, translate into Bisaya, Tagalog, and English. Alala mo ba yan yung mga pangyayari yan sa loob ng courtroom? Di ko ba?
Yes, naalala ko, Your Honor. Yung
Sa atin, nasasagot ko, walang translation, nasasagot ko ng medyo.
Your Honor,
Explain.
nangutanan mo ko, nag-ask ko saya, Your Honor, kay dili ko, ang question niya, na yung mga question niya, Your Honor, nga nagpa-repeat ko, kay dili kayo ko kasabot, dili kayo ko ka-understand, Your Honor. Nagmutan ako sa, kay attorney, nagpa-repeat ko po ng question sa kay attorney kung ano po yun, kay hindi ko talaga na maintindihan para makuha ang iyang pangutana, Your
Whether I
Honor.
may not belabor the point, the records are crystal clear. I will move on. I move on. Next question.
Mr. Your Honor, it's counsel is testifying.
That's a manifestation and
Motion to deny. Motion to deny.
should do you.
Let it stay there.
Okay na. Madam Witness, sinabi mo kanina, si ano naman, si Colonel Chica naman yung may access to security information. Kaya siya yung may alam sa confidential information. Tsaka, naalala mo sinabi mo yan kanina, di ba? And then, pinagpuron kayo ng counsel for the defense, wala naman daw sa joint circular na yung trabaho ng specialist briefing officer, dapat alam yung mga confidential activities. Yun yung sagot yun, di ba? Confused ka na yan. Yun na yung
Usapan niyo. Repeat,
I'm
Your
just
Honor.
repeating this series of questions that were propounded to you by the defense. Uulitin ko. I will indulge. Sinabi niyo kanina, si Colonel Lachica yung nag-i-implement ng confidential activities kasi siya yung may access to security information. Yun, napakaklaro yan, ma'am, ha? Naaalala niyo po ba yan?
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
sinabi niyo rin, pinonfirm na yung observation ng Defense Council na on the other hand, yung Special Disbursing Officer naman, wala naman nakasulat dyan na may alam about confidential activities. Naaalala niyo po ba yan? Yung sagot niyo.
Yes, naalala ko. Sagot ko sa kay attorney.
Anong pangalan ng attorney mo? Ma'am, kailan niyo nakapasok siya kung nandun po before this
Attorney
time?
Linda.
Not part of the...
It is. It is. Ma'am, kailan yung last time?
Counsel may impeach the witness. She has been declared a house
Ma'am, look at the ma'am. Tingnan na sa atin. Ma'am, you are attorney.
Opo.
Kailan yung last time sa schedule din?
Last week. Last week pa.
Last week or last week?
Last week. Kasi last week, umuwi ako ng Davao to visit my husband.
And then, so doon mo nakita na doon ni
No.
last week?
Last week pa. Before I go. Na ano lang, natanong ko lang sa kanya kung saan, what is the proceedings kung sa Senate hearing.
Ano ang sinabi na doon dito?
Ganito, tatanungin ko kayo, ma'am. Tapos, bla bla bla.
And then, pag sinasabi niya na yung mga tanong na itatanong sa'yo, di mo ba?
Wala siyang sinasabi, Your Honor.
Okay, anyways, now, let's go back. Sinasabi mo, security officer may access to security information. Now, if the secretary is ready, can we show 3.27? 3.27 ng Joint Circular. But this is rather brief. I will read for everyone's consumption. Security officer refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated as such to have access to security information. Ano? Nasa 3.27 ba? Yung nabanggit kong provision. Yung termino, confidential activities. Yes or no? Wala. Wala, di ba? Yes or no?
Confidential.
Wala po ba? Security information. Ma'am, I will confront you with the document. Please, your remark. Wala dyan, hindi po ba?
Wala po dito.
Now, pero on the other hand, 3.29 is the definition of a special dispersing officer, nakasulat dyan, refers to head of agency or regular employee designated by the head of agency to be in charge of making disbursements of CF. Ano ibig sabihin ng CF?
Well, sa akong, in my own understanding, Your Honor, CF means confidential fund.
Kasi, dalawang provision na yan, napakaklaro, trabaho. As a special dispersing officer, yung